Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will code a password generator tool, whether we can generate unlimited password and it is very strong password generator whether no one can hack your password except hacker also. So today video is very interesting, so stay tuned. So firstly we can create a folder name password generator. After that we can wait password generator 2. Okay, so my folder is created now we have to click right click. After that we can see the VS code option. It is a visual code editor whether we can code our tool. So first of all, after creating that folder and opening the VS code, we have to type control plus n to create new file and control plus s to save the file. I'm naming the file as a index.html. HTML, whether the index.html file is created now. After that, we will start the coding. So let's start it with HTML. So I am using HTML5 now. So my description is like password generator. After that, the body is calling like a yeah. After that, the heading tag, the title, we will add the styling for the password generator too. So we will add the styling for our password generator tool. First of all, we can take a body. So we will take a San Francisco family. After that, बैकग्राउंड कुछ भी रख देना है और क्या रुको वेट F4 and the no. After that, San Francisco text align center. We can do that text align center. After that, we can add a background color F4. After that, we can add a padding. Padding will be like 40 px. We are adding for now. After that, need to close the body tag. After closing the body tag, we can add a box. After adding the box, we have to add a background color also. We have added. After that, we can add a padding, also bspx. And after the border radius, we have to also add the border radius 8 px. After that, we have to add a box shadow, which is it now. Display inline block, it is correct. So after that, we can close the curly bracket. So after closing the tag, we have to add an input for the CSS. So curly bracket is on now. So we can add now width width width. Yes, width. First one is correct. Width. Laptop is hanging. Wait for a few time. So we can add the width. Okay. So width will be like 250 px. So my currently VS Code is not responding. Wait for some time. After adding the width 250 px, yes, added. After the adding the 250 px, we will add the padding and the border 1 px solid and the border radius 4 px and the text align center. So our input tag is done. Now we have to add a button. So button styling. So after adding the button styling, we can add a this also, but I am adding 8 px. We can also add by own choice. To that we can add a background color, border none. That is correct. Button hover also. So after that, our styling is completed. Now we have to enter in body. We can create a div class box which is password generator, which generate password for you. Okay. So the main thing is we have added the password generator h2 tag. After that, we have added the input text ID password. We have added the placeholder. Your password will be generated here. So password generator will appear here. So after that, BR tag also added here. After the we can add a button on click generate password. Okay, it will help to generate a password. Okay. After that, we have added a script, JS script. After closing the div tag, we have added a function like generate password. Okay, the constant will be chars. Okay, char set. We have added a multi string and the infinite password. No one will hack our password generator to whether we can add any password. Okay, so mostly is done. So let's save it. After that, we can open the index.html file that we have created for our tool preview. When we click the generate password, it will generate our unlimited password, which is very strong. Okay, it will generate for infinite time when we click on generate password on click. So, guys, thanks for watching my video, and I hope you will enjoyed my videos. So, lastly, thanks for coming into my channel. Make sure to like or subscribe if you want to learn more and more Python related programming language, HTML, CSS, React, Node.js, PHP, or some ethical type, hacking type knowledge. So you can also visit our channel and you can learn more and more. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.